Hey, a few weeks ago or maybe month, I was testing Pitaka's revolutionary iPad Pro wireless charging case and stand, where I showed you a glimpse of what will be the next thing. Well, the next is here, and it's called Pitaka MagEZ Folio 2. Well, let's talk about it in this video. But quick question before. Do you use any iPad Folio, and if you do, which one is that? Please answer in the comment section below. Hi friends, and welcome to Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marco, and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors, and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is powered by Pitaka. Pitaka is the brand that's been in the industry for a while, establishing itself as one of the most daring and innovative accessory manufacturers in the world. Following their design credo, staying one step ahead of their users, they've developed products for various Apple and Samsung devices. And since recently, Google is there too. Pitaka's impact has been recognized by many renowned tech entities and technology news portals, so maybe it's the right time that you give it a shot. Check out the link in the description and in a pinned comment. Now let's go! Pitaka accessories have been reviewed a couple of times on this channel, and every new product that comes in gives impression that it's getting better and better. When I received MagEZ Folio 2, I wasn't sure what to think, considering there are many identical accessories featuring similar design, but then it's Pitaka. And one thing you do know is that it will be a good experience starting from unboxing, which just happened and I didn't say a word about it. That's just great. It's made of pure leather and magnets, while microfiber cloth makes sure that your iPad Pro gets proper treatment within. Oh yes, the auto function is there too. Pitaka's Folio has been offered in 3 colors, although I got the black and the white one. To be honest, my heart went for the white one since I use it in combination with Pitaka's white-gray MagEZ Case Pro. Just stunning. Pitaka MagEZ Folio 2 may not be the slimmest case out there, but it's sufficiently easy to carry around since it's really lightweight. Magnets seem very strong, which I approve. As any other folio, the edges will be exposed, so you may want to include additional protection, but overall it will keep your iPad secured and safe from accidental hits. Having a magnetic strap that secures your Apple Pencil is a plus, so you don't have to worry will you use it somewhere on the way. MagEZ Folio allows you to use your iPad in 4 angles, thanks to its origami construction. Portrait 62-degree position is ideal for document browsing. Other 3 are positioned in the landscape mode. 57 and 52 degrees are perfect for video watching, conference calls, second screen use scenarios, while 34-degree angle is best suited for drawing and more comfortable screen typing experience. If I could change something, I would probably love to see more experimentation with origami design style, and I would make magnetic strap for Apple Pencil more resilient with the hard plastic edge just to cover it and prevent potential teardown during frequent openings. Pitaka MagEZ Folio 2 will cost you $59.99, which is a decent price for what you are getting. Yet, will you use it? It will be up to you. Pitaka products have been awesome for me so far, so I can only say thanks for their work and for sending their products to me. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and turn on all notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marco. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.